Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Starbucks, complete guide step by step clearly. Investing in Starbucks can be a rewarding opportunity. Begin by researching the company's financial performance. Check the latest earnings reports and revenue growth. Look into Starbucks' market position and competitive advantages. Analyze the overall coffee industry trends and consumer preferences. Consider the company's expansion plans and new product offerings. Review Starbucks stock performance over time. Visit financial news websites for expert opinions on the stock. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one already. Choose a brokerage that offers low fees and a user-friendly platform. Fund your brokerage account to prepare for investing. Determine how much you want to invest in Starbucks. Decide whether to buy shares outright or use a dollar-cost averaging strategy. Monitor the stock for any fluctuations in price before making your purchase. Purchase Starbucks shares through your brokerage account. Set a target price at which you would like to sell in the future. Keep track of Starbucks' performance periodically. Stay updated with news related to the company and the coffee industry. Reassess your investment strategy as needed based on market conditions. Consider potential risks and rewards associated with your investment. Maintain a long-term perspective for optimal returns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.